The original colors of red and green of poinsettias have decorated homes for many, many years. First discovered in Mexico and brought back to the United States by Joel Poinsett, wouldn't he be surprised at all the colors that we have available now to us? We've got orange, yellow, white, pink, and all colors in between, and of course, many different shades of red. The color that we enjoy in the poinsettia is actually not a flower, it's a bract or a modified leaf. The flower is at the center of all those bracts, and it's usually a tiny little yellow speck, and when you're looking for these to buy at retail, you're going to want to make sure that that little tiny yellow flower is still tightly closed. That way you can be assured that your poinsettias will actually last from 4 to 6 weeks once you bring them home. Caring for your poinsettias is actually pretty easy. The most important thing, try not to overwater. And you can actually test this by using your finger to touch the top of the potting media that the plant's growing in. If it's damp or feels cool to the touch, it's still got plenty of water. If it's dry right there on top, add a little bit of water, but not too much. Handle the plants with care as they can be a little brittle, and if something does break, you'll notice a milky white sap that comes from the breaking point, which is why you want to keep these out of reach of children and pets. If you want to create even a more colorful display of your poinsettias, try the tree form, which is a totally unique look that can reach 3 to 4 feet tall. So with all of these beautiful colors and all of this variety available in poinsettias, you're sure to find one that fits your holiday decorating scheme. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU Ag Center.